Hey pen pals, it's that time again. Halloween is coming up. Do you dress up? Let's do some review of sounds before we get started. R, and ch. I know something fun we can do. Let's sound out at words. 3 sounds. You got this. Ready? T. Great. A little faster. At. Nat. Nat. Oh, adorable. Look at his little bat wings. At. Hat. Oh, so cute. Let's do another word. Ready? First sound. At. At. Fat. Let's see our picture. We see a skinny pumpkin and a nice big fat pumpkin. Beginning sound. At. At. Sat. Great job. Oh, he's riding a broomstick. He sat on the broom. You guys are meowsing. This time, boys and girls, you're going to need something to write with. You can use anything you want. Do you have something to write with? You write it. I'll sound it out. Here's our first one. Aw. Ready? Cat. K. A. T. K. At. Write it down. You got this. K. At. 3 sounds. All right, let's see how you did. Can you show me what you wrote? Great job. Good effort. Remember, I'm showing you how many letters there should be. So if you have too many or too little, try to fix it. Let's do another one. All right, we have a rat. Ready? Beginning sound. R. A. T. You should have 3 letters. R. A. T. R. A. T. All right, let's see how you did. Hold it up. Great job. Let's keep going. Oh no, what happened to the little boy's tire? It's flat. Our next word is flat, and that's right, it has 4 sounds. Are you ready to write them? At. Good job. Keep going. At. You're doing great. At. Great job. Can I see it? How did you do? Here's how you spell the word. Let's do another one. It looks like we have 4 letters, but only 3 sounds. The first sound teams up from 2 letters. The children are chatting. They're talking. Our word is chat. Are you ready? The first sound is ch. It has 1 sound, but 2 letters. Do you know which letters make the ch sound? Write it down. Ch. A. T. You got this. Ch. A. T. Ch. A. T. Ready? Let's see. Great job! I'm so proud of you. Thank you for sounding out words and spelling with me. Bye, pen pals. Meow.
Hat, cat, sat, fat, rat, gnat, flat, chat.
Hi, pen pals. Today we are going to read Splat the Cat, The Rain is a Pain. This story is written by the creation of Rob Scotton. Splat couldn't wait to spend the whole day in his brand new skates. It was a sunny day. There was one plain little cloud in the sky, but it looked far away. Splat jumped, spun, and flipped, and the cloud got bigger. It got closer. It got darker. Splat tried to skate away. He went left, he went right, but the cloud followed. It was gaining on him. Now the cloud looked as big as a plane. It was gray. It was a dark, stormy gray. The cloud poured rain. The rain is a pain, Splat complained. Inside, Splat tried to dry off. He shook out his fur, he jiggled his paws, he squeezed his tail. But Splat was still very wet. I'll just try to air dry, he said, standing in a big muddy puddle. Splat wondered what to do next. Use your brain, he told himself. He rolled into the living room and built a racetrack. Splat went faster and faster, round and around and around. Splat! Splat picked up one muddy paw, then another. He left a big muddy puddle and a big muddy stain. Mom was not happy. Out, Splat, out, she said. But it's pouring, Splat explained. The rain is a pain. All the skating had made Splat hungry. He rolled into the kitchen for some ice cream. Little Sis was frosting fish sticks. Little Sis had the radio on. Meow Rock began to play. It was Splat's favorite song. He began to sing and dance. Splat bumped into Little Sis. The frosting spilled everywhere. Out, Splat, out, said Little Sis. I can't go out, said Splat. The rain is a pain. Splat rolled into the dining room. The song made him think of something to do. Let's play musical chairs, Splat said to Seymour. Splat fell flat. Dad was not happy. Out, Splat, out, he said. It's still pouring, said Splat. The rain is a pain. Splat rolled into the hall to take off his skates. But Splat ran into Little Sis. Splat! Her plate of frosted fish sticks went flying. Oh no, said Little Sis. She reached out in vain. It means there was no point. She wasn't going to be able to catch them. Yikes! Yelled Splat, but he caught the plate. All of the fish sticks remained. Mom and Dad heard the shouting. They rushed in and ran into Splat. Fish sticks went everywhere. Oh, after Splat saved it. Everyone slipped on fish sticks. Everyone slid in the muddy puddles, down the hall and out the door. Oh no, said Splat. The rain makes a rainbow. That was a nice ending. So silly. And we had a lot of A's in there. The team AI says A. Poor Splat just wanted a rainy day to stop and have fun outside. Does that ever happen to you? That was so much fun reading this book with you. Thanks for writing, spelling, and reading with me. Bye, pen pals!